Hello again. I'm off on the tractor series once more. I'm at Ian Lynch's place today, and I'm going to look at some of his workshop. One of his tractors he's doing up, which is a Force 3000, and he doesn't want to be on video, so I'll carry on. Anyway, at the moment he's doing this 3000 up, which is a nice old girl. And he's very good at doing old tractors. You bought it locally, Ian, didn't you? Chart Sutton. He's busy working away there on another little project he's got going with his mate Peter, and obviously his workshop. Like I say, he's a really good restorer of old machinery. Do you want to tell us a little bit about this tractor, Ian?
Not really.
Just point to the bits you want to point to.
It's old.
It's old. Tell us a bit more.
It's older.
It's older. But you got some photographs you're going to show me of one you've done up. I'll swing round and this is one he started off doing some photographs of. This is how it originally turned up, and as in true Blue Peter fashion, I should move into one side, and this is a Super Dexter he bought from start, what he bought it from. Here's Ian, and the finished job, it ends up looking like this. He's got mini tractors, which he takes to pieces completely. And sprays them up. This is one of his projects. He's got loads of tractors. As you can see in this photograph, it's got a cracked block, which he manages to fix. And if he weren't so shy, he'd tell us how he did it.
No, I'm not telling you, it's trade secret.
It's trade secrets, as he says. But like I say, this is an old Force tractor, which he should be doing up in his workshop. And later on, we'll see a few more of his tractors, what he's already done up. But I'd like to do this video now in this condition, and obviously when he's finished it, we'll have another video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in future videos. Cheerio for now.